Imagine owning a piece of 500 of the most powerful company in the world. Company you use every single day. Sound like something only rich people can do, right? What if I told you this is actually one of the most popular ways everyday people build long-term wealth? Welcome to Franck Invest, where we make investing simple, clear, and useful. If you are new to investing or trying to understand how money really grows, you are exactly where you need to be. Here's the reality. A lot of beginners jump into investing without understanding the basics. They pick up random stocks, follow hype, or trying to get rich quick. And that usually doesn't end up well. If you don't understand how the S&P 500 works, you will miss the most important way to build wealth over time. Even lose money with so much bad information out there. Okay, let's break it down in the simplest way possible. The S&P 500 is a stock market index. It tracks the performance of the 500 of the largest company in the United States. Company like Apple, Microsoft, company that dominate the industries. Instead of choosing just one company to invest in, the S&P 500 allow you to invest in all of them at once. Think of it like this. If one company struggles, one can still perform well. This balance is called diversification. It's one of the most important concepts in investing. So how do you actually invest in it? You can't directly buy the S&P 500 itself, but you can invest through something called index fund or ETF, which simply follow the index and mirror its performance. Why so many investors love it? Because over the long term, the S&P 500 has historically returned around 8 to 9% per year on average. That's why experienced investors use it as core part of the portfolio. But here, something important. It's not about getting rich overnight. The true power of the S&P 500 comes from consistency and time. The longer you stay invested, the more you benefit from compounding growth. Where your money starts generating its own return. Simple mindset shift. Instead of trying to guess the next big winning stock, you are investing in the overall growth of the economy. And a strategy that has worked for decades. If this video helped you to understand investing better, make sure you like and subscribe to Franck Invest. I post simple, powerful investing content every week. Also, drop a comment below. Are you more interested in investing in the S&P 500 or do you prefer to pick up individual stocks? Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Keep investing. See you in the next one.